The 2-day-long 8th session of Manipuri Legislative Assembly will begin tomorrow morning at 11. Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly M. Ramani issued a tentative program list of the first day of the Assembly session, which includes obituary reference, presentation of Business Advisory Committee report, motion for election of the 3 Financial Committee for the year 2019 and government resolution. On the second day, the program list concludes question hour, government business and presentation of committee reports. With an objective to maintain cleanliness in Thangmaiban constituency, a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan cleanliness campaign has been launched in Thangmaiban constituency under the supervision of social worker and former Vice President of BJYM, Kongkham Bikram, in association with Iraipak Chaukhatnaba Hotnaba, Iraipak Machasing Loop, Nagapal Soram Leira. The cleanliness drive will continue till October 2. Residents of Langthabal Kunja Awang Laikai have threatened that they will block the road stretch from Laishram Leirak to Lai Mayum Leirak if the road is not repaired by this month. With an aim to protect and preserve the catchment areas and to reduce the problem on environmental issue, a mass tree plantation drive was carried out today at Phayeng Water Reservoir catchment area. It was participated by people from different walks of life, including the persons with differently abled.